How to change your age on TikTok. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to your profile page. Then click on the option Edit. Now here you're gonna find different details, but you won't find date of birth. Hit back. Click on three bars given at the top right. Navigate to the option Settings and Privacy. Click on the option Account. Click on the option Account Information. Now here you're gonna find other details, but you won't find date of birth. As if right now there is no such option within TikTok to change age, but there is a workaround. Head back, scroll all the way down, click on the option Report a Problem. Now scroll down, click on Chat with Us. You'll be directed to this page. Now here in the message box you can type in change age and send it. With that, TikTok support team will get back to you. So click on this option, this form. You'll be directed to this page. Now click on this drop down for a topic. Select the option Change Account Information. For the category, select Other. Now here, type in your TikTok username. Type in your email address. And over here, you'll need to explain in detail. Just type in, I need to update my birthday info on the profile. The birth date which I have entered is incorrect. I can provide my ID card to prove my birth date. Please help me resolve the issue about my TikTok birth date. Make sure you upload the picture of your ID card where your date of birth is correct. Now, check in for these options, then click on Submit. Once you submit this, TikTok support team will get back to you. And your age will also be updated. So this way you can easily change your age on TikTok. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.